We're in Boston. I see the new bridge over there. I'm going to have to check that out later. We're going to head into Boston Mill. We're coming in from a different way. We're coming in from the back road. And this is all a new parking lot out here. I don't remember this being here the last time I was here. They've got equestrian poles. Evidently, it's a big area where you can ride your horse. Now here, let me show you this. This is a path. I don't know if this path leads down to Brandywine Falls, but we'll investigate that. Look at that. That is fantastic. I mean, it kind of heads that way. It says Brecksville, but I got a feeling that goes down, I don't know. Brandywine Falls is over that way. So, let's go around the parking lot one more time. Real quick. We'll cut through here. We will have to come out here and investigate this area when it's a little cooler. Today it's 92 degrees out there. And we're expected thunderstorms this evening. This wind is blowing all of that smoke from the fires in Canada out of here, so that's good. I mean, you can see the sky now. That's, oh wow. Early settlers home. Oh, that's the path to Brandywine Falls. There. That's the path that goes over. At one time, that was almost impassable to go down through there. Again, we're headed into Boston Mill. And this is from the northeast side. Doesn't look like it yet, but as soon as we get up here, you'll see. There we go. There's where we're going. Well, good afternoon. Glenn Oman with the cam here, and today I'm down at Boston Mill to check out the new bridge. We saw this about 3 years ago when we were out here riding the towpath, and I just wanted to come down and check it out. It's the new bridge. It's the walk across over the Cuyahoga River, and there is something special on the other side. So if you're ready, let's go. Little village down here of Boston Mill, but we're going to go check out that bridge, the pedestrian bridge. And I heard there's something real special on the other side of that bridge. That's the Automotive bridge. You can see the general store over there. The gas station back here. Oh, some people picnicking down there by the river. Vehicle capacity 30,000 pounds. Well, I don't know if we'll ever get a vehicle across this, but it is really fantastic. They've got a sitting area over there where you can picnic. They have some steps that lead down to a picnic area right by the river. Well, we're going to head over on that side because that's where you can see the special thing from. So let's head over there. Okay, they probably didn't, but this is what I like about this. They have cutouts. They have a portal in the grate so that you can see through. I have to thank the engineers for that one. And then let's see if we can see the artwork down here. A little bit of it. Definitely you can see it real good in a kayak. Here's another one here. Oh, you could almost see it. That's great. Let's go up here. This is one of the train stops up here. Train comes through. I think it's like 4 times a day. There is a schedule. I'll post that in the description below. A lot of wildflowers. But let's see if we can see that over here. Oh yeah, you can. There it is. That was done by Arlin Graff. He's a Brazilian-born artist who resides here in the United States. And he beat out 50 people in competition to do that portrait. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. That's beautiful. I've got a little better shot here than the artist standing next to it. And you only can see it from the west bank unless you're down there. There is a path, but right now it's so overgrown you can't get in there. But it's just a little north of the walking bridge. Isn't that great? Okay, we're going to go down here a little bit to see if we can get a better shot of it. There doesn't seem to be any way to get down there. But look at that. That is fantastic. And all these wild flowers back here. It's just a little path that comes down right next to, I forget what that's called. The barn? I'll have to look that up. Let's see if we can get a better shot from here. A little better shot. A little better view of it. But that's fantastic. Just below the bridge on the abutment. We've been down here many times before to catch a lot of the trains. The Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad runs through here, and a few months ago we had NKP 765. I've got 2 of those videos I've got down in the description, so if you would like to see that train, steam locomotive, check out those videos. Beautiful. Cuyahoga Valley National Park welcomes you. They have a video introduction to the park. That is cool. And that's the Welcome Center. That's a ski resort over there. Boston Mill Ski Resort. In the wintertime, that place is jamming. We're going to head over on the other side of the bridge and take a look at some of the buildings that are over there. A lot of people down in the river. I showed you the stairs that led down. There's some tables back in there. Then they have a little beach down there. That is cool. Let's see if we can head down that way. Cross the bridge. Okay, this is the new bridge that crosses the Cuyahoga River. Oh, look, they're kayaking over there. Sorry, interrupted. This is one of the great things. And somebody thought, rather than having all grid, they actually put a viewing port in here. So you get an uninterrupted view of the river. Isn't that great? Thank you, engineer. Appreciate it. It's the old-timey gas station. And that's just a stone's throw from the bridge we just walked over there. Okay, one more stop. Let's go down by the river. It is a hot day out here. It's 92 degrees out there. But all that smoke from Canada is out of the way, so we can kind of come out. Okay, let's go over here and see what this looks like. There is an easy way, and then there's the stone walkway. Oh, that's what it is, a portage over here for canoes, for kayaks. Here you go. I'm not going to try that. So if you're ever out here in Boston Mill, be sure to check out the bridge, the visitor center, and the artwork. Well, this is Glenn, old man with a cam. I hope you enjoyed that, this little visit. Boston Mill, the bridge, the artwork that's down there. If you ever get a chance, come on out. You won't be disappointed. So for today, thanks for joining me. Glad to have you along. You have a great day.